type Robocopy space quotation mark and then go to the address bar of your original folder and copy the address. Come back to the command prompt, right click to automatically paste. Type quotation mark. This is our source path. Type space quotation mark. Go to the folder where you want the files to match and copy the address from the address bar. Come back to command prompt and right click to paste. Type quotation mark and this would be our destination path. Type space /MIR, which is an abbreviation for mirror. It finds and copies the missing files and folders so that the source path and the destination path match. Warning: mirror flag deletes any files or folders in the destination that does not exist in the source. Type space /log : now go to any drive that you want to save the log file. You can create a new folder called logs, open it, and then copy the path. Go back to command prompt, right click to paste, type /robolog.txt. This would create a text file which would log all the activities. Type space /r:2. This would retry copying a file up to 2 times if an error occurs. Type space /w:5. It will wait 5 seconds between retries and then press enter. First, it would create the log file in the folder that we have specified, and now you just have to wait. Don't use your computer, and once copying is finished, it will go back to the root directory. Now you can go to the logs folder, open the robolog text file. Here you could see the process, and if you would scroll down right to the bottom, you could see how many missing files and folders it has copied. Now the size and number of files and folders of the source and destination path are matching.